Question 1. When was the first World Hindi Day celebrated? Correct answer is B. January 10, 2006. Question 2. According to Indian Constitution, foreign policy comes under which article? Correct answer is A. Article 51. Question 3. Who was the Congress president at the time of independence? Correct answer is C. J.B. Kripalani. Question 4. What does the wheel in the Indian national flag symbolize? Correct answer is B. Justice. Question 5. Which state is known as Sugar Bowl of India? Correct answer is B. Uttar Pradesh. Question 6. Which one of the following describes India as a secular state? Correct answer is B. Preamble to the Constitution. Question 7. The budget of a state under president rule is passed by. Correct answer is C. Parliament. Question 8. Who designed the Indian national emblem? Correct answer is D. Dinanath Bhargava. Question 9. Who is the principal spokesman of the Lok Sabha? Correct answer is C. Speaker of Lok Sabha. Question 10. Who among the following British Governor General shifted India's capital from Calcutta to Delhi in 1911? Correct answer is D. Lord Hardinge. Question 11. In which year the Prime Minister's Award for Excellence in Public Administration was instituted? Correct answer is C. 2006. Question 12. Which country has the most number of time zones? Correct answer is A. France. Question 13. The Valley of Flowers is located in which state? Correct answer is C. Uttarakhand. Question 14. Father of Indian Space Program. Correct answer is C. Vikram Sarabhai. Question 15. Speaker of Lok Sabha can. Correct answer is A. Adjourn the House. Question 16. What is the name of the world's first artificial satellite? Correct answer is A. Sputnik 1. Question 17. The leader of the Lok Sabha is. Correct answer is C. Prime Minister. Question 18. Chilika Lake, India's largest coastal lagoon, is located in which state? Correct answer is B. Orissa. Question 19. The Indian national emblem is based on which famous monument? Correct answer is C. Ashoka Pillar at Sarnath. Question 20. In which state is the Gir National Park located, the only habitat of the Asiatic lion? Correct answer is C. Gujarat. Question 21. Which state in India first general beta baby was born? Correct answer is C. Mizoram. Question 22. When was the Indian Constitution adopted? Correct answer is B. The 26th of November 1949. Question 23. The Vice President of India is elected by. Correct answer is C. The elected members of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Question 24. Which body prepares the India State of Forest Report? Correct answer is B. Forest Survey of India. Question 25. Who elects the Speaker of Lok Sabha? Correct answer is B. Lok Sabha. Question 26. What does the motto, Satyamev Jayate, on the Indian national emblem mean? Correct answer is A. Truth alone triumphs. Question 27. Who or which amongst the following is not a part of the Parliament of India? Correct answer is A. Chief Justice. Question 28. Who among the following Governor General of India was called the maker of modern India? Correct answer is C. Lord Dalhousie. Question 29. Who administers the oath of office to the Vice President of India? Correct answer is A. The President of India. Question 30. Which state in India has been declared the first fully literate state? Correct answer is B. Mizoram. Question 32. In case of dispute between the two houses of Indian Parliament over an ordinary bill, the case is referred to. Correct answer is C. Joint sitting of both the houses. Question 33. Schedule that deals with official languages of India. Correct answer is C. 8th schedule. Question 34. Which planet has the most moons? Correct answer is D. Saturn. Question 35. Maximum time interval between two sessions of Parliament. Correct answer is C. 6 months. Question 36. What is the main cause of acid rain? Correct answer is C. Sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides. Question 37. The only active volcano in India is located in. Correct answer is C. Barren Island. Question 38. Who dissolves Rajya Sabha? Correct answer is C. No one. Question 39. What is the minimum age limit to become the Vice President? Correct answer is C. 35. Question 40. Who elects the Deputy Chairman of Rajya Sabha? Correct answer is D. Rajya Sabha.